if Mercedes took the legendary G-Wagon DNA and shrunk it into a futuristic, city-friendly, fully electric SUV? Meet the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Baby G-Class, a compact powerhouse that combines luxury, ruggedness, and cutting-edge EV technology into one stunning package. This isn't just a smaller G-Wagon. It's the reinvention of urban luxury off-roading. Before we dive into this detailed review, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and share this video with your fellow car enthusiasts. Because today, we're taking you inside and out of Mercedes' boldest new creation. The front fascia immediately commands attention. Unlike the boxy, upright grille of the classic G-Wagon, this Baby G embraces minimalism and futuristic cues. A seamless gloss black front panel replaces the traditional grille, and at its center sits the illuminated three-pointed star, glowing like a digital emblem of prestige. Stretching across the fascia is a razor-sharp LED light bar that merges into ultra-thin headlamps, creating a sci-fi look that feels more spaceship than SUV. Below, the bumper introduces angular air inlets and a muscular stance, a perfect balance of off-road confidence and sleek premium design. Everything about the face screams future luxury, signaling that Mercedes is ready for the EV era while still retaining its iconic G-Class DNA. From the side, the proportions reveal the vehicle's true story. The stance is upright and squared off, unmistakably G-Wagon inspired, yet compact enough to maneuver through tight city environments. The bodywork is smooth and aerodynamic, enhanced by flush door handles that disappear into the panels for a cleaner flow. Wide fenders are framed by gloss black claddings, adding a sense of toughness, while massive multi-spoke AMG wheels emphasize athletic performance. The subtle shoulder line flows neatly across the body, and the gloss black pillars create a floating roof effect, capped with a sleek spoiler at the rear. It is a perfect fusion of rugged toughness and futuristic EQ family aerodynamics, making the Baby G look equally at home in urban streets or luxury driveways. The rear design continues this futuristic story. A full-width LED taillight bar stretches cleanly across the tailgate, echoing the light signature seen at the front. The illuminated Mercedes emblem glows at the center, acting as a beacon of modern luxury. The sculpted gloss black diffuser dominates the lower bumper, fitted with sharp vertical fins that bring both aerodynamic purpose and visual aggression. The wide haunches emphasize stability and stance, while the integrated roof spoiler ties it all together with sporty precision. Unlike the bulky spare tire mounted on the back of the classic G-Wagon, this Baby G is modern, streamlined, and future-facing. While Mercedes has yet to officially confirm specifications, we can expect the Baby G to ride on the brand's next-generation electric platform, likely the MMA architecture designed for compact EVs. Dual electric motors should deliver standard all-wheel drive, with output ranging from around 300 to 400 horsepower in base trims and potentially beyond 500 horsepower in a high-performance AMG variant. Driving range should fall between 280 and 350 miles per charge, depending on battery configuration, keeping it competitive against Tesla and BMW. Fast charging will likely allow a 10 to 80% boost in under 30 minutes. Inside, the Baby G feels like a digital luxury lounge. The dashboard is dominated by a hyperscreen-inspired digital display stretching across the cabin, with 3 interconnected screens glowing in Mercedes' signature blue ambient lighting. The cockpit feels futuristic yet welcoming, wrapping the driver and passengers in a soft glow. Quilted leather seats with diamond stitching add a sense of handcrafted luxury, while the minimalist center console houses a sleek gear selector, haptic controls, and wireless charging pads. Ambient lighting strips along the doors and dashboard create a floating light effect, transforming the cabin into a modern, atmospheric environment. The Baby G comes loaded with the latest MBUX technology, AI-powered voice assistants, over-the-air updates, and advanced driver assistance features that move toward semi-autonomous driving. It is unmistakably a Mercedes interior, but sharper, cleaner, and built with an EV-first philosophy. The Baby G-Class sits in a fascinating niche within the luxury SUV market. It competes directly with the BMW iX1, Audi Q4 e-tron, and Tesla Model Y, but its true advantage lies in heritage. Where rivals focus on sleek urban luxury, the Baby G carries the DNA of the iconic G-Wagon, which immediately elevates its desirability. It is aimed at younger buyers who want the prestige and rugged character of a G-Class without the massive size or sky-high $150,000 price tag. Pricing is expected to start around $55,000 to $70,000, placing it in a sweet spot for premium EV SUVs. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Baby G-Class is more than just a smaller G-Wagon. It is a bold statement about where luxury off-roaders are heading in the electric age. With futuristic design, advanced EV performance, and a cabin that feels like a high-tech lounge, this SUV has everything it needs to become one of the most desirable compact luxury EVs of the decade. Would you pick this Baby G over its rivals like the BMW iX1 or Tesla Model Y? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive looks at the cars of tomorrow.